Hello students, you are most welcome to my channel. We now start exercise 2.4. Here is the question number 1. Verify that the numbers given alongside of the cubic polynomials below are their zeros. Also verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients in each case. What is a cubic polynomial? A polynomial with degree 3. That is cubic polynomial. When we have 3 degree of a polynomial, the sum of zeros would be having 3, that is alpha, beta and gamma, and the product of zeros would be alpha into beta into gamma. This would be equal to minus d by a. This is sum, right? This is equal to minus b by a. We must remember this. Now, we will put this p of x equal to 2x cubed plus x squared minus 5x plus 2. We have 3 zeros of this polynomial, 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2. We will take up 1 by 1 and place in place of x and see whether this polynomial is equal to 0. If yes, then this is a 0. If not, this is not the 0. Okay. Now in place of x, p of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube plus x square, that is 1 by 2 square minus 5 into, let me put this with the bracket, this also with the bracket, minus 5 into 1 by 2 and then plus 2. When we open the brackets, it becomes 2 into 1 by 8. 2 cube is 8 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. Now this gets cancelled 4 times. Now we are left with 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 and plus 2. Below you can put 1. Now we have to add all these fractions. The LCM is 4. Draw a line. 1 plus 1 plus. No, this is minus. Minus 2 into 2 gives you 4. And 2 into 5 is 10. Plus 1 4s are 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Further, 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 minus 10 divided by 4. That is equal to 0 by 4, which will be equal to a big 0. Now this polynomial with 1 by 2 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 by 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. The next is 1. Now let us place in place of x 1. P of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 cube plus x square, that is 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. I am keeping 1 or putting 1 in place of x. Now that is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 square is again 1 minus 5 into 1 is 5 plus 2. Simplify this. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 minus 5 plus 2. Now this is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 5 is naturally big 0. Now this polynomial is equal to 0. Therefore, even 1 is also 0 of this polynomial. Now the third one is p of minus 2. Can we write here? Okay, we'll go to the next page. Now we are going to use the value of minus 2 for this polynomial. We put p of minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus minus 2 square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 2. Wherever we have x in this polynomial, we have put minus 2, which is here as one of the zeros, and now this will be equal to 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, it gives you minus 8, plus minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4, minus into minus is plus, 5 into 2 is 10, finally plus 2. Now 2 into minus 8 is minus 16, plus 4, 10 and 2 all is equal to 16, finally it is 0. Even minus 2 is also proved to be one of the zeros of this polynomial. Now what next? We have proved that they are all zeros of the polynomial, given polynomial. Next, we have to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Now, 3 zeros have been given. Now we have to find out the coefficients. Let me write down here. The polynomial of x is equal to 2x cubed plus x squared minus 5x plus 2. The general form of this polynomial is ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. This would be where we have cubic polynomial. Now, the values of a, b, c, d can be had like this. A is equal to 2. That means coefficient of x cubed is a here, and in the given question it is 2. Therefore, a is equal to 2. And b. What is b? b is equal to 1. In front of x square we have 1 as a coefficient. Now c. c is minus 5. Here you can see minus 5. Finally, d. d is 2. Now we have 3 zeros here and we have coefficients also. Now we will start the verification of relationship. Firstly, sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. What are these three sums? We have alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b, which is 1, minus 1, by a. a is 2. Now what is alpha? Alpha is one of the zeros, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 then minus 2. These are the three given zeros of this polynomial, and that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we will simplify this. 1 by 2 plus 1 and minus 2 gives you minus 1. That is equal to minus 1 by 2. And this is 2 upon 1 minus 2. 1 to the 2, 2 into 1 is 2. Is again equal to minus 1 by 2. Now here we have in the LHS minus 1 by 2, and in the RHS we have minus 1 by 2. This is verified. The next one is product of zeros that we do in the next page. Now we are going to do the product of zeros. Product of zeros is alpha into beta into gamma. This is equal to minus b by a. This we must remember when we have cubic polynomial, and in place of alpha we can put off 1 by 2 into beta is 1 and gamma is minus 2. That is equal to minus d. Here d is 2 and a is again 2. Now when we simplify this, 2 and 2 goes, you have minus 1 on the top is equal to, even here also 2 gets cancelled, minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So we have found out and verified that even the product of zeros is also verified. Now we move on to question 1 part 2 in exercise 2.4. And the question says verify that the numbers given alongside of the cubic polynomials below are their zeros, and also verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. Now they have given one cubic polynomial which has got 3 as the degree, and also they have given some numbers 2, 1 and 1. We have to find out whether these numbers are the zeros of this polynomial. If yes, then second part of the question says verify them. Now we will go ahead with finding out whether they are zeros. We will take one by one. Now let us write down the question. X cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2. This is the question. Now one of the zeros or one of the numbers given is 2. What we do? We put this as p of x. Now in place of x, let us put one number, that is 2, p of 2. Meaning that wherever we have x, we have to put value 2 and then verify whether this is a zero of this polynomial or not. Now 2 cube minus 4 into x square, that is 2 square, plus 5x means 5 into 2 minus 2. Now further simplification, 2 cube is 8 minus 4, and then 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 4 gives you 16, plus 5 into 2 is 10, and then minus 2. Now you simplify, plus 8 plus 10 is plus 18. Minus 16 and minus 2 gives you minus 18. That is equal to 0. Therefore, P of 2 is 0. So the first number 2 is 0 of this polynomial. The second is 1. You put the value of 1 wherever we have x. P of 1 is equal to, here we have x cube, that is 1 cube minus 4x square, minus 4 into 1 square, plus 5x, that means plus 5 into 1. Then lastly minus 2, which is constant. We simplify now, is equal to 1 cube is again 1, minus 1 square is 1, 4 into 1 is 4, plus 5 into 1 is 5, minus 2 equal to, see, plus 1 plus 5 gives you plus 6, minus 4 minus 2 gives you minus 6. That means the answer is 0. Even this is P of 1 is also 0. That means even 1 is 0. The third number is also 1. Therefore, we need to do third time. We will assume this also is correct. So, 2, 1 and 1. All the three are the zeros of this cubic polynomial. Now we start verification. Verification we know very well because this is a cubic polynomial. It will have 3 verification stages. The first stage is, we'll write down here, sum of zeros, that is equal to minus b by a. Now we have 3 sums here, 3 zeros, 2, 1 and 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus b. This b and a we take from the polynomial itself. B is minus 4. We put first minus and then value of b is minus 4 divided by a. A is the coefficient of x cube, that is 1. Now 2 plus 1 is 4 equals this minus into minus gives you plus 4. This is one verification which is done. Second verification is product of zeros is equal to minus d by a. You must remember, whenever we have a cubic polynomial, the product of zeros is equal to minus d, where d is the constant, divided by a. Now we will have to multiply all the three zeros. 2 into 1 into 1 is equal to minus of d. In this polynomial, d is minus 2 divided by a. A is coefficient of x cube, that is 1. 2 into 1 and 1 is equal to 2 is equal to minus into minus plus 2. Even this is verified. Lastly, the sum of product of zeros, that is equal to c by a. Now the sum of product, you have to take alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. Now what is alpha and what is beta and what is gamma? Nothing but zeros. Now alpha beta is 2 into 1. 2 into 1 plus beta is 1 plus 1. I'll write down here for your easiness. Alpha is 2, beta is 1 and gamma is 1. So now from there we take plus alpha and gamma, 1 plus 2, 1 into 2 is equal to c. What is c here? C is the sum of product of zeros is equal to c by a, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. Here, what is c? C is plus 5. Let us write down that here. Alpha beta is 2 into 1 and beta gamma is 1 into 1 plus gamma alpha is 1 into 2 is equal to c. C is nothing but plus 5. 5 by a. A is coefficient of x cube, that is 1. Now 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 2 is 2, that is equal to 5. 2, 1 and 2 gives you 5, that is equal to 5. LHS is equal to RHS. Now we have verified all the three stages of verification. Question number 2 of question 1 is over. Now we move on to the next question, the next page.